Hey guys, this is Gavin, the Fire Horn Siren Guy. I just want to make a brief tour of the fire horns at my school. It's not going to be long because I don't want to get in trouble, so yeah. We got a WeWalk Exceeder exit sign. And no, I'm not going to be pulling the alarm. In case you're wondering, this is just a tour. Alright, we got a Silent Night pole station with this STI stopper covers with the horns. Exit sign. That is pink on braking. Another WeWalk Exceeder. Sorry, I got interrupted for a second. Like I said, I'm not making this tour very long because, again, I don't want to get in trouble. Alright. Smoke detector. Don't really pay attention to smoke detectors. Not supposed to be over here. Okay, you saw my Instagram post. I said my school is messed up, and it is. They still haven't fixed it. It's insane. What is wrong with my school? And note, we don't only have ceiling unit WeWalk Exceeders. We also have wall units in the cafeteria, in the auditorium, in the gyms, and in the portables. We have special advances in one of the offices. We have a WeWalk ZNS strobe. I don't know what, I forgot the model of the strobe version of the ZNS, and those are LED. And in one office on the second floor, we have a Siemens strobe. It's like a strobe version of the Siemens UMMT. And outside, we got WeWalk MT horn only, and a WeWalk AS. And then in the locker rooms of the gym and where the showers are, we have a WeWalk RS. And that one is in white. The outdoor ones are in red, so are the advances in the portables. And the Siemens ZNS and the Siemens UMMT strobe is red. I'm not sure what the panel is. I can't show you. Okay. And I'm sorry for this short tour at my school. I just don't want to get busted. That's all. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. I couldn't show you the strobe units in the bathrooms because this bathroom over there is locked, and I don't feel like going to the other one. Right, and down there is another Silent Night pole station. Okay, yeah. So, yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Actually, no, not end of the video. I'm going down with the red hall since I forgot my bag. Right, and I'm not sure what that is. Same module. I think that's what it is. Okay. Ben hall is quiet, so I'm going to take a look in this bathroom. It smells in there, but there's a WeWalk Exceeder strobe only. Okay. Silent Night Pole Station behind Stopper. Alright. I'm gonna have to get someone to unlock the quiet room so I can get my bag. And either way, there's another Silent Night Pole Station behind the Stopper. Wewak Exceeder. Okay, for real this time. That is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Another Silent Night Pole Station. Okay, just decided to quickly go outside. I finally found my bag. And there's a Wewak MT horn only. We're gonna go down here, and I'm gonna show you the AX. Alright. I'm not gonna give you the name of the school because I don't want to get in trouble. Here's the Wewak AX. Okay, I think I did what I needed to do. And I think I made it pretty good. So yeah, I know I have said that is it for this video so many times in this video, but this time I'm gonna be real. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.